concentrations of carrots and celery in salt and fresh water and observe the diffusion effect on living organisms. Animals and plants that live in oceans usually have high salt levels within them in order to avoid dehydration.
I will explain about a diffusion. What is the diffusion? Diffusion is a net movement of a substance from a region of high concentration to a region of low concentration. This is also referred to as the movement of substance down a concentration gradient. What is a gradient? Gradient is the change in the value of quantities. For example, is concentration with the change in another variable. So, the word diffusion is derived from the Latin word called diffunder, which means to spread out.
She thinks she's all alone, and all her hopes are gone. And so I wrote.
Our observation, after one night soaked in salt solution, the celery changed from green colors to light green colors, and the carrot changed from orange to dark orange, and the texture also changed from crispy to limp and become saltier compared than before. The carrot also from crispy changed to limp, and the taste is saltier compared to before.
For further explanation, if a carrot is placed in a very salty water, it will be less salty than the water around it. This causes the water in the carrot to move out of the carrot and into the water. The result is that the carrot becomes limp and tastes more tastier than before.
After transfer into fresh water and soaked for one night, the texture for celery and carrot turn back to normal, and this is why the cut carrot and celery are often stored in fresh water.
If placed in a fresh water, the carrot is saltier than the surrounding water, so the water moves into the carrot. This is because the carrot and the celery become more stiffened. Vegetables such as carrot and celery are crisp largely because of the water, which is fresh water, trapped within them. This is why fresh and saltwater fish and plants cannot be interchanged between the salt and fresh water. They are adapted to the salinity of the water in which they live. Substance dehydration that occur in an example of osmosis or diffusion. With diffusion, as we found, with the carrot and the celery, substance will go from higher to lower salt concentration across the membrane. Hence, the water tends to live inside of the organism unless it has a higher level than its environment.
This song's for the girls all around the world. Girls, I know what you got deep inside.